Leonardo DiCaprio lar na pakhat chu ama aya kumnaw pangjok taite ngai zona chiang hi ani chu shia in kumsang ni som ni Golden Globe Awards a khan Ricky Gervais chuan Leonardo chu akap zewa
premiere, and by the end his date was too old for him. So
movie premiere na pakhata Leonardo kal chu Dakar thum do na rayani sia abial nu lo tar man hiala lom le tia Ricky na ka chuan Leonardo live mail chu anui soi pot mai ani.
Hello.
Hi. Katie, I'm watching you.
American Idol audience pakhat chu athik thu achetlat mai achan chu Katy Perry in abial pale contestant ni bok chu no tak maya hi alo ti wangani.
Hello.
Hi. Katie, I'm watching you.
That's my girlfriend up there.
Contestant Bill nu chuan athut na atang chuan Katy ka murang chenia aron ti a contestant chuan khita khyang ka Bill nu oma athi nu po chuan Katy chuan inlein hwal chuang lo tlat atile drama mi puitenan limpui khop mai.
Well, it's not your fiance, so.
Kansha cheu angin kesha hi Jerry Seinfeld fan pakhata ni a amara chu vandoi thlak takin ataka red carpet a hmo tumin kesha in kwa atum chu Jerry hian tunge ani alola sheve si lawa alo nar chiang le ani.
no thanks.
Please.
No thanks.
A little man.
Yeah, no thanks.
Kesha hian voi khat aya tam kwa atuma Jerry ero chon alo nar fit that thakani. Kumsang ni sompali VMA Miley Cyrus in a hostum khan celebrities tam tak lom law an oma Miley celebrities temping apuana anlo don sandan hian ati chiang ani Miley hian za thiam lar tharte tia alo puan kherwang po anima na an minga puan laya an mel omdan hian nui ati sarut
The Weeknd. And A$AP Rocky.
Queen Tarantino Khawvel filmmaker hlotling tak pakhat chu Golden Globe Award winner pon ani hian mak atile ni turani Ben Affleck winner pon ani chuan atil in lights chu aphu chuak thotani.
And the Golden Globe goes to Ben Affleck, Argo.
Kansha cheu angin Drake hian Nicki Minaj se alo thin lai ruk china nima sela award show pakhata Nicki Minaj omvelaya Drake in Vanessa Hudgens a faktum chuan Nicki hian alo thik ve deuh ni turani Drake fakchu aloin be sei ve ti asha thaya.
I want to say Vanessa Hudgens, you look incredible tonight.
Drake chuan stage atangin Vanessa Hudgens zanin hian ilang du om thlot ati lai chuan Nicki chuan ke hi engtin nge ti in lung oilo mel thakin alo ner na sa hle ani. Nicki Minaj hian Camila Cabello hi angai na vaklo ti arin theya achan takshilo ma ila stage atanga Camila anron faklaya Nicki lo omdan hian atilang chiang hle ani.
Cabello, Camille, she's nominated for 5 VMAs tonight. So those of you, 5 of them. I'm super proud of her.
Hei ve thung hi chu mi pui jinga tu emo in alo lak fu ania. Katy Perry omdan Nuihzatthlak tak kan hmu thei ani. Katy Perry chu a perform nuwa a chau mel hle a. Abula lo lam tenen an mood in person lutuk hian nui atizazok le ani. Jeff Bezos Khawvel mi ho saber hi Oscar Award simna a alo tel venual to a chuwang chuan host Jimmy Kimmel chuan Amazon delivery service chang chohin alo kap saka isha Jeff zanin hian Oscar Award hi ilo don lo chuan ni atanga ninga chungin I ina anron deliver man nge yang.
You know, Jeff, if you win tonight, you could expect your Oscar to arrive in 2 to 5 business days.
Kum engi muzat liamta a One Direction in award show an hostum khan Taylor Swift chuan alom lo ti ashat le a Taylor hian Harry Styles alo date ve to wang te po anima na engi soi hile.
The best fans are in New York.
Ngoi mai te Ariana Grande to iHeart Radio Awards a performer Avoy khatnan alam dan chutle mahar sa de ulakina thak ve a Masi he alam hian Rihanna nui alo tizani ngay turani alo nui trot mai. NBA game khetla yin commentator chuan Justin Bieber tu in lai chu mu in atui in dan vel chu anlo sei savengyal mai boka.
Justin Bieber looking cool. What in the world is in that hat? What you got in that hat?
That's where he keeps his crossover.
Then it gets real strange, this odd water drinking technique. Real high elbow.
Yeah, real high elbow.
Oh, Justin Bieber po at sa cool khop mai. Atui in dan style po pesia khop mai. Oh.
I'm kidding. Kids, stay in school. I'm sure these people went to college. I mean, Amy Adams, you went to college, right? No? Okay, well, who cares?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But
Taylor Swift in Video Music Award perform la yin atop khardan chuan mi puite nui atiza hlea.
No. 1 second. I don't care if it's the VMAs. I'm not jumping off in there.
Alam top lama stage tanga zon thak tum ni om taka a om la yin at noi lama a dancers te chuan lo don tumin an ban an lo phar swa bok. Ni ma sala ani chuan angai le lo mai. VMA show ma ni se ka zwang tha om lo e mai den lu tok mai ti in backstage lama alu san le ta yani. Alandana chuan Chrissy Teigen hian award show hi ahlim pui velu tuklo a angkhop mai camera in Meryl Streep a focus slide chuan ahnung lama Chrissy lo muthulop lop chu amu thayani Leonardo DiCaprio hlim taka lo nui lai chu Lady Gaga award dong tur man mo taka stage pan phe chuan atau pal hlo maya Leonardo chu ati phuzoka a melandan hi nui ati zare ole ani.
And his reaction was absolutely priceless.
Kelly Clarkson in Billboard Music Award Open nana alasak pol chu Taylor Swift le Shawn Mendes ti hian thiam anti hle ti anum dana changkhian siata Taylor lo zai pui dan vel phei hi chu comments lama in lo soi chun zoma kada ta me ye. Milarte News team in lo subscribe sakla Milarte chanchin ngainatute tak nen kanin ngale don ya.